Hello and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. I'm astrologer N. Baksh, and in this week's episode, we'll be exploring the astrological trends from July 30th, 2024 to August 5th, 2024. Discover what the stars have in store for you and how the planetary movements will influence your week. Whether you're seeking clarity or just curious about cosmic events, this video is your weekly guide to navigating the stars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's see what this week has in store for you. Let's start with Aries. Firstly, we're going to talk about their professional life and career. A productive week for Aries individuals in their jobs. You may face some challenges or unexpected tasks, but with your inherent determination, you can handle them effectively. Stay organized and prioritize your tasks to avoid last minute stress. If you are a business owner, you may experience mixed results. There might be opportunities for growth, but careful financial planning and risk assessment are crucial. Avoid making impulsive decisions and consult with trusted advisors before finalizing any major deals. Coming on to their love life, romantic relationships may face some fluctuations. Could be moments of misunderstanding or disagreements. Communication is key to resolving conflicts and maintaining harmony. Be open and honest with your partner to strengthen your bond. Let's dive into their family life. Your relationship with your life partner may require attention. There might be some stress or disagreements that need to be addressed through calm and constructive conversations. As far as their parents are concerned, family interactions are generally positive. However, ensure you make time for your family activities and show appreciation to your parents. Balancing work and family life is essential. Coming on to their health, there may be some potential issues. Attention to your digestive system and avoid overindulging in heavy or spicy foods. Stress and overwork may impact your overall well being, so incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Here are a few advices for you. Career wise, stay focused and avoid making hasty decisions. Proper planning and communication with colleagues can help you navigate any work related challenges. Your love life, practice patience and empathy in your relationships. Clear communication will help resolve misunderstandings and strengthen your connections. For your health, prioritize your well being by maintaining a balanced lifestyle and managing stress. Regular physical activity and a nutritious diet will support your overall health. For your family life, make an effort to balance work and family time. Spend quality moments with your loved ones to foster positive relationships. Let's talk about Taurus now. Firstly, we'll talk about the professional life and career. This week could bring a mix of opportunities and challenges in your job. You might find yourself dealing with increased responsibilities. Stay focused and prioritize your tasks to ensure that you meet your deadlines effectively. Collaborating with colleagues can lead to successful outcomes. For business owners, this week shows potential for growth. However, be cautious with financial investments and avoid taking unnecessary risks. Strategic planning and careful management will help you make the most of the opportunities available. Moving on to their love life, your romantic relationships may experience some stability and positivity. If you're in a committed relationship, it's a good time to strengthen your bond with your partner. For singles, social activities could lead to meaningful connections. Keep communication open and honest. Moving on to their family life, you may find that your relationship with your life partner is generally harmonious. It's a good week for addressing your ongoing issues or planning future goals together. Mutual support and understanding will enhance your relationship. As far as your parents are concerned, your connection with family members, especially parents, should be positive. Spend quality time with them and show appreciation for their support. Balancing family and personal responsibilities is crucial. Health wise, you may face some potential issues. You should pay attention to your throat and neck area. You might be more susceptible to minor infections or discomfort in these regions. Maintain good hygiene and avoid exposure to cold environments. Here are some advices for you. Career wise, you should stay organized and focused on your tasks. Effective communication and teamwork will help you navigate any challenges at work. For your love life, foster open and honest communication with your partner. For singles, engage in social activities that could lead to new connections. For your health, take care of your throat and neck. A balanced diet and regular exercise will support your overall health. For your family life, show appreciation and spend quality time with your family members. Balancing your personal and family life will contribute to a harmonious atmosphere. Moving on to Gemini, firstly, we'll discuss their profession and career. This week, expect some changes or unexpected developments in your job. Flexibility and adaptability will be the key to navigating these changes. Focus on clear communication and stay organized to handle any new responsibilities effectively. For business individuals, there might be opportunities for expansion or new ventures. However, ensure that you conduct thorough research and avoid impulsive decisions. Strategic planning will be crucial for success. Moving on to your love life, your romantic life might experience some fluctuations. If you're in a relationship, be prepared for possible disagreements or misunderstandings. Open communication will help resolve any issues and strengthen your bond. For singles, staying social and engaging in new activities could lead to interesting encounters. Moving on to your family life, the relationship with your life partner may face some challenges this week. Address any concern openly and work together to find solutions. Showing patience and understanding will help improve the situation. As far as your parents are concerned, interactions with family members, particularly parents, should be relatively stable. It is a good time to seek their advice or spend quality time together. Balance family commitments with your personal life. Coming on to your health, there might be some potential issues. Watch for stress related issues that could affect your digestive system or cause minor headaches. Maintain a healthy diet and manage stress through relaxation techniques. Here are some advices for you. Career wise, stay adaptable and communicate clearly with colleagues and clients. Managing unexpected changes with a positive attitude will benefit your career. Coming on to your love life, maintain open and honest communication with your partner. For singles, engaging in new social activities can lead to exciting opportunities. For your health, manage stress effectively and pay attention to your digestive health. A balanced diet and relaxation techniques will be beneficial. Coming on to your family life, work on resolving any minor conflicts with your partner, spend quality time with family members, and seek their support when needed. Moving towards Cancer, firstly, we'll discuss their professional life and career. This week, you may find yourself dealing with a heavier workload or new responsibilities. Stay organized and prioritize tasks to manage your workload efficiently. Networking with colleagues and showing initiative could lead to career advancements. For business owners, this is a favorable time for evaluating your strategies and making adjustments. Focus on long term goals and avoid hasty decisions. Collaborations or partnerships might yield positive results. Coming on to your love life, your romantic relationships might experience a positive shift. This is a good time for deepening connections and addressing any issues that might have been lingering. Plan some quality time with your partner to strengthen your bond. For singles, opportunities for new romantic connections are promising. Engaging in social activities or attending events could lead to meaningful interactions. Coming on to your family life, your relationship with your life partner should be supportive and harmonious. Use this time to discuss future plans and work together on shared goals. Mutual understanding and support will enhance your bond. As far as your parents are concerned, interactions with family members, especially parents, will be positive. It is a good time to seek their advice or engage in family activities. Coming on to your health, there may be some potential issues. Pay attention to any fluctuations in your mood or stress levels. Emotional well being might be impacted, so focus on mental health and stress management. Here are some advices for you. Career wise, stay organized and proactive in managing your workload. Networking and collaboration can lead to career growth. For your love life, focus on deepening your connection with your partner. For singles, engaging in social events may lead to new romantic opportunities. For your health, prioritize emotional well being and incorporate relaxation practices into your routine. Maintain a balanced lifestyle to support your health. For your family life, foster positive interactions with your partner and family members. Seek their support and spend quality time together. Thanks for watching this week's horoscope on Sitaru Ka Safar. I hope these predictions from July 30th, 2024 to August 5th, 2024 guide you through the upcoming week. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more astrological insights, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any queries you might have. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time on Sitaro Ka Safar.